Did you know hosting your open house on the wrong weekend could slash your attendance by half? Let me tell you about the time I scheduled a gorgeous listing on a sunny September long weekend. Crickets. Everyone was out hiking or hitting the lake, and I learned the hard way. Timing isn't just everything in comedy, it's everything in real estate. So here's the scoop: spring and fall, gold. Families want to settle before school starts or holidays hit, and the weather's just cozy enough to make buyers want to stroll through homes. But seasons aside, when you host matters even more. Saturdays and Sundays between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m., prime time. That sweet spot when folks aren't rushing to brunch or soccer practice. Oh, and avoid long weekends like they're expired milk. Trust me, nobody's house hunting when they're roasting marshmallows at a campground. Now, here's a pro tip: midweek open houses. Sounds wild, right? But Thursdays? Magic. Retirees, remote workers, they're the ones circling listings during quieter hours. I once hosted a Thursday open house for a condo downtown, and three serious buyers showed up. One wrote an offer that afternoon. Lesson: flexibility pays off, but timing's only half the battle. Let's talk vibes. Ever walked into a cluttered, dimly lit house and thought, yikes, pass? Exactly. Declutter like you're Marie Kondo's star pupil. Open those curtains, let the light flood in, and maybe bake cookies. Subtle cookies, not I'm hiding mold cookies. And for heaven's sake, hide your llama shaped soap collection. Buyers need to picture their junk in your space, not yours. Marketing? Don't just slap a for sale sign on the lawn. Hit social media: Instagram Reels, Facebook groups, TikTok if you're feeling spicy. Professional photos are non negotiable. Blurry phone pics? That's how your listing ends up in meme groups. Oh, and after the open house, follow up. That sweet couple who lingered by the fireplace? They might be one email away from saying yes. So here's my question: what's your open house horror story? Mine involves a squirrel invasion and a very confused buyer. But hey, we live and learn. If you want to read more about this topic, see the link in the description. Like and subscribe, or I'll have to start staging homes with inflatable furniture. You've been warned.